Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Cantharis Vesicatoria. Its common name is Spanish fly. Family Cantharidae. Prover Hahnemann. Sphere of action mainly on urinary organ, skin, respiratory system, GIT. Parts used: whole dried fly. Preparation: new method, percolation. Old method: large and perfect insects are selected and pulverized to a fine powder to prepare the mother tincture under dilution under class 4. Its drug strength is 1/10. Next we are discussing about mind. First, furious delirium. Furious delirium means hyperactive delirium. Next, constantly attempt to do something but accomplishes nothing. Acute maniac, generally of a sexual type. Amorphous frenzy, fairy sexual desire. Erotomania. Fairy sexual desire means intense, passionate and possibly overwhelming of feelings of sexual attraction. Anxious restlessness ending in rage. Sudden loss of consciousness with red face. Paroxysm of rage, crying, barking. Paroxysm of rage means sudden, intense, uncontrollable outburst of extreme angry. Next, physical generals. Oversensitiveness of all parts. Hemorrhage from nose, mouth, intestine, genitals and urinary organs. Pain, raw, sore, burning in every part of body, internally and externally, with extreme weakness. Disgust for everything: drink, food, tobacco. Drinking even small quantities of water increases pain in the bladder. Next, particulars. First, head. Burning sensation in brain. Meningitis. Meningitis means inflammation of the brain and spinal cord membranes caused by infections. Sensation as if boiling water in brain. Vertigo worse in open air. Next, eyes. Yellow vision. Slanting, fairy, sparkling, staring look. Burning in eyes. Conjunctivitis. Conjunctivitis means infection of outer membrane of the eyeball and inner eyelid. Burning eyes. Next, ear. Sensation as if wind was coming out from the ear or hot air. Bones around the ear painful. Capsicum, other drug. Next, urinary symptoms. Urinary symptoms and skin are the very important in this Cantharis drug. Urinary symptoms: constant urging to urinate, passing but few drops at a time, which is mixed with blood. Sudden desire to urinate and intense itching in urethra. Petros. Petros means stone or rock. Intolerable urging before, during and after urination. Violent pains in bladder. Burning, cutting pains in urethra during micturition. Violent tenesmus. Tenesmus means painful condition related to urination, often indicate problem in urinary tract. And strangury. The burning pain and intolerable urging to urinate is the red strand of Cantharis in all inflammatory affections. Urine is jelly-like and shreddy. Shreddy means consisting of or torn pieces or fragments. Next, male symptoms: strong desire, painful erections, pain in glands, that is balanitis. Balanitis means inflammation of the foreskin and head of penis. Priapism in gonorrhea, which means prolonged and often painful excretion unrelated to sexual stimulation, is not a common complication of gonorrhea. Next, female. Retained placenta, sepia with dysuria, expels moles, dead fetuses, membrane. Nymphomania. Nymphomania means excessive and uncontrollable sexual urges and fantasies and behaviors. Other drugs are platinum, hyoscyamus niger, lachesis, stramonium. Menses too early and too profuse. Menorrhagia. Menorrhagia means heavy and prolonged menstrual bleeding. Black swelling of vulva with irritation. Burning pain in ovaries, extremely sensitive, which means ovarian cyst. Next, skin symptoms: vesicular erysipelas, vesicles all over body which are sore and suppurating. Vesicular erysipelas means affected area develop vesicles and potentially larger blisters or bullae. Erythema. Erythema means redness of skin either in a limited area or all over body. Erythema from exposure to sun rays. Burn and scars revealed by cold application. Burns before blisters form and when they have formed. If the skin be unbroken, apply an alcoholic solution of any potency and cover with cotton. This will promptly relieve pain and often prevent vesiccations. If skin be broken, use in boiled or distilled water and each case give potency internally. Blisters. Area of skin covered by raised fluid filled bubble. Vesiccation. Formation of blisters or vesicles in or beneath the skin. Next, respiratory symptoms. Pleurisy. Pleurisy means inflammation of the tissue that line the lungs and chest cavity. Pleurisy as soon as effusion has taken place with exudation. Effusion means abnormal accumulation of fluid in the body cavity. Exudation. Fluid that has leaked out of blood vessels into or any nearby tissue. Intense dyspnea, palpitation, frequent dry cough. Dyspnea means difficulty in breathing. Palpitation means intermittent or sustained awareness of heartbeat, often described by patient as pounding sensation in chest. Tendency to syncope. Short hacking cough, blood streaked tenacious mucus. Hemoptysis. Hemoptysis means expectoration of blood from respiratory tract. Burning pains, voice low, weak feeling. Stitches in chest. Other remedies are bryonia, calicarbonicum, squilla. Syncope means sudden temporary loss of consciousness. Next, GIT symptoms. First, throat. Burning in the mouth, pharynx and throat. Vesicles in the mouth. Stomatitis. Stomatitis means painful swelling and sores inside the mouth. Great difficulty in swallowing liquids. Very tenacious mucus. Other remedies are calibichromia. Tenacious means mucus that is thick, sticky, difficult to expel. Next, stomach. Disgust for everything. Drink tobacco, wood, burning, thirst with aversion to all fluids. Vomiting of blood, streaked membranes and violent retching. Aggravated from drinking coffee. Retching means involuntary forceful action of the stomach and esophagus to vomit but without bringing up stomach contents. Next, stool. Shivering with burning, dysentery, mucoid stool like scraping of intestines. Dysentery means GIT infection causing severe diarrhea with blood, mucus in the stool, often accompanied by abdominal pain and fever. Next, modalities. Aggravations from touch or approach, micturating, drinking cold water or coffee. Emulsion by rubbing. Complementary by camphor, follow well, belladonna, merxol, phosphorus, pulse, sepia, sulfur. Inimical, coffea. Antidote by aconite, epis, camphor. Cantharis. Duration of action is 30 to 40 days. Next, previously asked question in university exams. First, skin symptoms. Next, urinary symptoms. Next, urinary symptoms of Cantharis and berberis. Next, urinary symptoms of Cantharis and epis. Next, urinary symptoms of Cantharis and mercurochrome. Thank you.